the best company is for this is GoDaddy. How they make money from a 99-cent domain, and the domain CPCs. You and I know how many the CPCs is so high.
Yep.
And the funnel and the back end sales they have and the upsells, it's amazing.
Oh, they're so sticky. And once they have their hooks into you, it's not just domains, it's the hosting and the email and the web builder. And yeah, they've done a really good job at that. I met Bob Parsons. I pitched him on something. He was cool. He was a really interesting cat, really kind of eccentric, but once you meet him, everything makes sense. You're like, oh, I get this. Like he just zeroes in on something. And GoDaddy's done a phenomenal job. What a good example.
Yeah, it is. I mean, this is what I always say to everyone. Look, you look at how can they afford to sell a 99-cent domain if the CPC is like $50.
Right.
Yeah. And that's not like on 100% conversion rate. Their conversion rate will be quite low. So to acquire a customer, they are willing and able to pay. And this is how this game is played. Whoever is able and willing to pay the most wins.